next topic is decoder with enable input. A decoder has an additional input that is called enable, and enable input controls the circuit operation. That means we can say output is only generated when the enable input is 1, or the value of enable input is 1, otherwise all output will be 0. So for that we will do a small change in the implementation, and enable input will be fed into the AND gate, which will produce the output. So let's check first 2 to 4 decoder with enable input. Suppose this 2 to 4 decoder has two inputs, that is A0 and A1, and 4 outputs, suppose that is from Y0 to Y3. And here, since we are using decoder with enable input, so there will be one more input, that is E. So this is the block diagram of 2 to 4 decoder with enable input. So A1 and A0, these are the inputs, this is enable, and 4 outputs from Y0 to Y3, these are the input. So one of the output, one of these 4 outputs will be 1 for each combination of the input when this enable will be 1. And if enable is 0, we will not get any output across these 4 outputs. So let's check its truth table. So these are the inputs and these are the outputs. So suppose enable is 0 and A1 and A0 is in don't care condition, so we will get output 0 only. That means whatever will be the value of A0 and A1, if enable is 0, we will not get any output across these 4 outputs Y0 to Y3. Now if enable is 1 and A1 and A0 is 0, then Y0 will be 1 and rest will be 0. Again enable is 1 and A1 and A0 is 0 and 1, then we will get output across Y1 and rest will be 0. If and enable is 1, A1 is 1, A0 is 0, then we will get output across Y2 and rest will be 0. And for last combination, enable is 1, A0 and A1 are both 1, then we will get output across Y3 and rest will be 0. So from this truth table we can find Boolean expression. So Y3, from Y3 is 1 when E is 1, A1 is 1 and A0 is 1. So Y3 equals to E dot A1 dot A0. And Y2 is 1 when E is 1, A1 is 1 and A0 is 0. So Y2 that is equals to E dot A1 dot A0 bar. And Y1 is 1 when enable is 1, A1 is 0 and A0 is 1. So Y1 that is equals to E A1 bar A0. And Y0 is 1 when enable is 1 and both inputs are A1 and A0 is 0. So E dot A1 bar dot A0 bar. So this is the Boolean expression. Now we can implement this Boolean expression using AND gates. So since each output is having one product term, so there are on this. So there are total 4 product terms from y0 to y3. So we need 4 AND gates to implement this boolean function and two inverters, or we can say 2 NOT gate. So this is the logic, this is the diagram. A1, this is A0, this is, suppose this is y3, this is y2, this is y1, and this is y0, and one is enable input. So y3 is e dot a1 dot a0, e dot this and this, e dot a1 dot a0. So this is the end product and output is y3. y2 is e dot a1 and a0 bar. So we will use AND NOT gate here, this, and y1 is e a1 bar. So we need one more AND gate here, sorry, NOT gate here. For this is a1, so output of NOT gate will be a1 bar and a0. And for y0 we need e a1 bar and a0 bar. So this is the logic diagram for 2 to 4 decoder, where input a1 and input variables are a1 and a0, and enable is e is the enable, and we will get output only when this e will be 1. If e is 0, then all output of decoder will be 0.